Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this 2 by 2 pyramid or 2 by 2 pyramorphics cube. So this is something different from these two cubes. This is 3 by 3 and this is 4 by 4 pyramid cube, but it has nothing to do with these two cubes. But this cube is similar to this 2 by 2. So this cube and this cube, these are similar, only it is shape shifting cube. So first let us understand the pieces. So these are, in fact, this is on one side. If you look at, there are 4 pieces. Here also there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is one side like this, and if we look at from this side, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and here also it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is only shape shifting cube, and that's why it changes the perspective. So first let us scramble it, and it's very easy to solve. Okay, so now it is scrambled properly. So the first step, like 2 by 2, we first pair the 2 by 2 corners. So we have white and red corner with us, then here it should be blue. So this is paired and this is paired. So this is our first layer. So similarly in this case also we have to pair our first layer. So let us see if we can pair this. So we have blue and red and yellow, and this is yellow. Now we require one more piece which has yellow. So this is also paired. So we have paired 1, 2, 3 pieces. We need one more piece of red triangle, that is here. So what we can do is, it is similar to this 2 by 2. So this corner will come here. This is triangle, but we'll consider this as corner. So we'll use R prime, U prime. So now you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So our bottom layer is done like this. So this first layer is done. Now for second layer, what we do is, we normally see whether this corner is already matched. So we have to match all these 3 corners. This is already matched, so, and this is already matched, and this is already matched. So only we have to just orient them. So this is a very simple solution. I'll just show you one more case also. In this case, first we need to see this bottom first layer is already done. Now we'll bring this into down, and these 4 pieces we need to orient. We need to first place it properly. So if we look at this corner, this is kind of one of the corners like this. So we have just paired with this. So this we have paired. Now we have to rotate these 3 pieces. Okay, so we have this case wherein this corner is properly placed. This corner is also placed. These 2 corners are not placed properly. So this is another case, but I'll show you how to rotate these 3 corners. So this is already in place, but I'll just show you one more case. Okay, so in this case this corner is already in place. This 3 needs to be placed. So this 3 will rotate. So it is U, R, U prime, R prime, U, R prime, and L. So in this case, this is properly placed and these two are needs to be swept. So first we'll have to see whether we can rotate this three pieces into its place. So this is our right hand side, like this, and we'll use the same algorithm. So U, R, this is our R, so R, U prime, this is our L, so L prime, U, R prime, U prime, and L. So these three pieces are rotated. Now again, if you look at this piece is already in place, it is just rotated. If you can see, this is red, blue and green. So this is red side, this is blue side, and this is green side. So it is only rotated. So this piece is in place. Now if we look at this piece, so this is the corner parity similar to this. So in this case also, if you look at, this is the corner parity. This both the corners are needs to be swept. So this corner should be here and this corner should be here. In this case also, this two needs to be swept. So in this case I'll just show you. So this red, green and yellow should be here and this orange, green and yellow should be here. So we'll keep it on right hand side and we'll do this algorithm R, U, so we'll use this algorithm, that is 2R U, 2R UI, 2R. Take this to right hand side, 2R UI, 2R U, 2R. So now if you look at these two pieces, I mean this corner is placed properly, only needs to be rotated, and this also is placed properly. Now we can do RIDI RD. So this is placed. So now we can see this is solved. So similarly, this two needs to be swept. So we'll keep it on right hand side and this is our R. So 2R. So 1, 2. 2R U, 2R UI, 2R. Then turn this to right. 2R UI, 2R U, 2R. So now if you look at and if you turn like this, you can see both the pieces are placed properly. This is also placed properly, it is rotated, and this is also placed properly, only thing is it is rotated. So we just need to rotate like what we have done, RIDI. So this is our R, so RI, this is our D, so DI, R, D, again RI, DI, R, D, again RI, DI, R, D, again RI, DI, R and D. So this is placed properly. Right, now we have to place another piece. So before we do it, because this triangle could be rotated. So what we'll do is we'll use this triangle to place this cube, this piece properly. So Ri di r d Ri di r d. And now if we look at this is solved. Now we have to solve the last, we have to rotate the last corner. So we'll use the same algorithm Ri di r d. So this is our r, this is our r, so we have to just rotate it. So Ri, this is our d, so di r d Ri di r and d. So again, if you look at this is rotated, but don't worry, what we can do is we'll bring this piece over here because this triangle could be rotated. So we'll use this triangle to rotate this piece. So Ri di r d, again Ri di r d, again Ri di r d, Ri di r and d. So now you can see it is solved. So if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you very much.